What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl Sweet Angel. Welcome to Behind the Scenes. And excuse the mess, because y'all know your girl be up to things all the time. Y'all, I had mentioned to y'all how this table right here constantly is a mess all the time, okay? So I just got my Whole Foods groceries delivered. It's of course Whole Foods, in case you didn't know. I order it right on Amazon Prime, Whole Foods, and they deliver my fresh goods, you know, things I use even for my natural treatments, food we eat, you know, groceries, fresh produce, guinea pig food, all that great stuff. So amazing. But today they dropped it off and didn't even pick up the tip. I don't add my tip in. I don't. I like to hand it to the driver personally myself. So anyway, they missed that part of it. But I'm going to clean up this table because, you know, I put my fruits in, you know, these bins here, but it gets so crazy all over the table, always, because I always have like fresh oranges, apples, etc., etc. So today I'm going to organize, but let me tell you what else I did. And again, excuse the mess. Don't worry about chips. You know, we still eat healthy stuff, but you know, we got a few chips, okay? But I got a bookcase. This bookcase, I did order it from Amazon. And what I'm gonna do is just create my own little fresh produce shelf over on this side. This is gonna move out of the way, and I'm gonna move that right now, and then we're gonna put it in the bookcase. So how about we do that now? So I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I guess I'll just take this gloss off of here. I'll sit it right here temporarily over there, and move these out of the way. And these are just like footstools or little tables. I've had them for a long time. All right, make sure there's no trash over here. This used to be a fruit holder, but it's never big enough, so I don't know what to do with that. All right, let me get this bookcase up, and we're gonna pop it right over here. All right, there's the little bookcase. I'm just gonna dust it off before I put anything on it. Now I just need to put the shelves in it. And y'all know we have always tons of toilet paper stocked up, you know. The new normal, the new normal, of course. I gotta put the little shelf holder things on. And let's see, I'm not sure how much space I'm gonna need. Probably not a whole lot. I mean, well, we'll just make it do what it do. Let's put it about even. Let's say here. And the shelves. Now what I was going to do, I was actually going to leave the back out of it, but I decided to go ahead and put the back in because it just looked better with that. So I'm hoping the baskets are not too big for it, so we'll see. I'd love to turn them that way, but that's not going to give us enough space. But this way will both fit. Ooh, tight squeeze, but it worked out. You know, just for snacks and whatnot, gum, some candy and cookies and so forth. Little snack pack, little candy over here, chips over here. Cute. Okay. Oranges and lemons. these are 2 empty bins. So and voila. And now let's do the grocery haul. More stuff from Amazon that came today. This is actually some metallic pure gold paint. I'm going to be doing some DIYs with this, so take this away. Now again, excuse any mess that you see. Again, I just put that shelf together, so I got stuff I need to pick up. But let's go ahead and do this grocery haul. So in this bag here, to the label. All right, I have some organic walnut halves. This is great protein if you're on a bit healthy kick. I have some Tazo mint tea. I'll be using this for some great little weight loss recipes that I have to do or want to do. Some red seedless grapes here, look delicious and fresh. A couple of bananas. I don't eat bananas too often. Sometimes, you know, they make me a little bit bloated, but I do use them in treatments. I thought I heard the guinea pigs when they hear little bags rattling, they start crying over there. I have some organic black grapes. These are also supposed to be seedless. Hopefully they are. I think so. Yes. I have some limes and some lemons. In this bag, a pineapple, some potatoes. That's it in that one. Woo. And in this one, which is for hot and cold stuff, we have some green lettuce, and that's what the guinea pigs are crying about. Some green leaf lettuce. Cucumbers. Some ginger root, 2 avocados, and what I'm ready to eat right now, these strawberries. Woo, they look so yummy. So I'll just put the lemon and limes right here with the oranges and the lemons. Bananas are gonna go right here with the apples. Potatoes here at the bottom. And really all the rest of the stuff over there, we're gonna go ahead and just put it in the fridge, which is where I prefer it, okay? So I'm gonna get all of that put up, but I just want to show y'all how I'm just kind of reorganizing, and I'll be able to clean out this table, and all of that will be empty, other than maybe the centerpiece and the paper towels. That's all we need. That's all we need over there, okay? So that's my grocery haul. That's my new shelf. And the rest of it is getting ready to get put up. And I'm gonna eat some because I want some strawberries for sure. And that's it, beautiful babes. Listen, I'll see y'all on the next one. Thank you so much for hanging out with me on this little pop in. You know, I was gonna save it for the end of the week, but I had to do this right now because I wanted to. But I want to see y'all also. So I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing off for now. Like, comment, subscribe, and please share your girl with your world. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.